Okay, do you like to take photographs?
Yes, I like I like taking photographies because if in photographies we saved such beautiful moments, events like when friends together, marriage, and
You are communicating in words, not proper sentences. So focus sentences, moments, friends, marriage, this, that, and all that. Try to speak sentences, proper sentences. Okay. Do you prefer to take photos yourself or have others to take your photo?
I prefer to take photo myself because everybody have own choice. I cannot
Everybody has.
has own choice. I cannot understand other person who take photos.
Right. So that is why I always love to take my selfies, right? Like that. Okay. How long have you liked taking photos?
Since I mm, during since my childhood,
Yeah, I've always liked taking photos since my childhood. Then speak on. So,
uh, childhood because my father found to take pictures. That's why in every vacations we use camera for taking photos.
okay. All right. How often do you take selfies?
I often take selfies.
I take selfies every day,
Yeah.
especially whenever I get dressed, I get ready to go outside. So, whenever I'm out there, I always take selfies. So, to answer your question, I take selfies every day and then I post them on social media. बोलना ही है ना उसने आके चेक थोड़ी करना है हाँ भी काका आज नहीं ली सेल्फी तो पूछना थोड़ी है आपसे किसी ने भी आके सो जस्ट यू हैव टू आंसर द क्वेश्चन एन आइडियल आंसर बेस्ड ऑन वी कॉल इट इम्प्रोवाइजेशन इम्प्रोवाइज द आंसर आंसर घड़ना है तराशना है just like that you got to do. Okay, all right, one last question. Do you prefer to take photo with your mobile or camera?
I will prefer to take photos with my camera because camera have large screens and multi-functions. That's why I like taking photos with my camera.
Okay, this is better. Just answer like this, add more sentences and be confident, right? Thank you.